What does it mean to love God?
In spiritual terms, it's an endless pursuit of nothingness as far as the ego is concerned, and at the same time, endless pursuit of truth. You have to love the truth. You have to love kindness. You have to love a child. You have to love your mother and father. You have to love your beloved. And then it is not enough. You have more love in you to share, to give, to express. You say to yourself, I can do more. I can do better. You love your neighbors, and there's still more. And you love your friends, and there is still more. Then you raise your gaze, and you love the earth, and the moon, and the stars, and the sun, and the sky, and the clouds. And you still have more. That vastness of awareness which have raised you from humanity to cosmos. And then you find yourself loving all. And you still have more. And then you ask yourself, why do I have more? And then it dawns on you. That it can't be right. I have something more, which even the whole cosmos cannot contain. There must be something unknown, for whom it is placed in my heart in the first place. That is how Abraham found God. Understand love, and you will understand God. It's a very simple equation. If you keep your mind out of the way.